So in this video I'm covering changes I've made during testing through deck again, just continuing from the previous ones. The most significant change in this video is that splash damage now works correctly. And to explain the issue, splash damage before it was calculated using the player's center of mass for everything, and that was resulting in when you shot at somebody's foot, it would already have a distance added to it, the distance from the player's feet to their center of mass, which was resulting in just incorrect splash damage, along with it really badly affect splash jumps. That's been now changed to where it uses the player's, it takes into account the player's height, and instead the collision check now, or rather the radial check now, it uses, there's a line segment, it's invisible, but there's a line segment that runs from the player's head to the player's feet. And so what it does is it checks for the nearest point to the player, and that is, it's nearest to the player's, their feet, their head, or anywhere in between. But now splash damage, you'll just notice, is it feels a lot better, and you'll notice it. Other additions have been a new weapon that will probably, it'll be in for the next test of deck. This is the plasma gun. It's just like its name implies, very similar to the Quake plasma gun. And that's really it. Other changes, the death cameras had a slight change in that the head now stops rolling as much, or is supposed to. It does in a lot of cases. There we go. That's just a minor tweak. Another minor tweak has to do with weapon spawning happened. It was off before. Somebody may have noticed, but it was off before. It was off slightly to the right. And I found the issue was related to the weapon spawner and the camera were using two different functions to find the player's head. So that's now fixed, and it's so minor that it really won't affect probably anybody at this point. Otherwise, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can of course post them on the YouTube comments page or on the game forums. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next test, whenever that is. I'll kick this off with some death and some acid. Or I'll miss it and just see a hand.